got some Solana meme coins and you want to cash out that coins, don't worry. And I will tell you step by step process of how you can sell them using Phantom Wallet in just few steps. For selling, first you have to open a Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet app and make sure you are on the Solana network. If you haven't logged in, do that first. Now you have to select your meme coin. Scroll through your assets and tap on the meme coin you want to sell. Now you will see your balance and transaction options. Now you have to swipe for SOL or USDC. For swiping, tap on the swap, choose your SOL or USDC as a currency you want to swap to. Enter the amount and hit. Before entering, you have to check the rates and confirm. Now, this step is very optional. Send to an exchange. If you want to convert to real money, transfer USDC or SOL to exchange like Binance and Coinbase. Then sell it for fiat. Now, the final step is to withdraw to your bank. Once sold that Solana meme coin, now here you have to withdraw your funds directly to your bank account or digital wallet. Now, this last process is to check processing time and fees. Now, transaction might take a few times. Just be patient and check for fees before confirming. After confirming, that's it. You have successfully sold your Solana meme coins. If this video you found very valuable, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.